So this is an old Crown SC30, which is a sit-down truck. And we have a leak near the lift cylinder. And then as you can see, the lift cylinder end cap is leaking. As you can see, the residue is coming down. So we're going to block the truck up in there and remove the end cap. So we raise the carriage in there. And we get some blocks and chains. Then we block and chain up the mast so that nothing comes down. So we disconnect the ram. At the top there's a roll pin inside. Remove the roll pin. Remove the roll pin from the top. Then we lower the ram down into the cylinder. Then get you a set of slip joint pliers or a pipe wrench and remove the cap. And then as you can see, the seal is sticking out at the top, and that's where your leak was. So we'll go ahead and then replace the wiper ring and the seals. So let's set that on a bench and do that now. So this is a thin flat ring. This is the O-ring. I'm going to put the flat ring on first and the round one second. Now we got the top ring installed, so let's install the cap back on the cylinder. Got the end cap on, so let's raise the cylinder and check for leaks. So we're going to guide it in between that hole. And now we got to just install the roll pin. And just go ahead and pan down. Check around the wiper ring for leaks. As you can see, no leaks. Looks pretty good. Let's pan in close. No leaks. So we go ahead and put the roll pin back into the ram. That's it. So now we go ahead and raise the carriage and remove the chains. So now we got the carriage down. We'll just look at the top of the cylinder. Check the end cap. There's no leaks here. There's no leaks running down. And that's pretty much it. Let's check the other side. These are still on the other side. It's nice and dry. And that's pretty much it. End cap looks pretty good here. So that's pretty much how you replace seals inside of a lift cylinder end cap. And again, this is an older Crown truck, but in theory, any lift truck that has a lift cylinder has seals that can be replaced. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, and again, thanks for watching.